Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to set up a modded Minecraft server with CourseForge. Let's get started. First, close Minecraft and open CourseForge. Make sure the mod pack you want is installed. You'll need it to play on the server. Click the mod pack, then in the top right, select download server pack. Your browser will download the server files as a zip folder. While that's downloading, make sure you have Java and Java Development Kit or JDK installed from java.com. This is required to run the server files, download and install both if you haven't already. Once the server pack finishes downloading, extract it to the folder on your desktop, right-click the zip, press extract all and choose a folder name like Minecraft Modded Server. And after that, open the folder and double-click, then start server.bat to launch it. You may see security warning, click more info, then run anyway. The server will start downloading additional files. If you see a failed to load eula.txt message and open eula.txt in the text editor, change eula equals false to eula is equals true, then save and restart the server. This confirms that you agree to the server terms. The server will now fully start and you'll see done in the console. To join your server locally, open CourseForge and select your mod pack, then press play and go to multiplayer. And after that, add server and type localhost at the address. You can join your own server and start playing with the mods. If you want friends to join, you'll need a port forwarding and to share your public IP, which can be tricky and has security risk. A much safer and easiest option is Apex Hosting, which keeps your server online 24/7 and handles mod packs automatically and provides a stable IP for your friends. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.